Hello kids, welcome to my channel. We are learning English alphabet A B C. Let's go. A. The alphabet name is A. The alphabet name is A. A is for apple. A is for apple. This is apple. B. The alphabet name is B. The alphabet name is B. B is for ball. B is for ball. C. The alphabet name is C. The alphabet name is C. C is for cat. C is for cat. This is cat. D. The alphabet name is D. D. D is for doll. D is for doll. This is doll. E. The alphabet name is E. The alphabet name is E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. This is elephant. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe now. F. The alphabet name is F. The alphabet name is F. F is for fish. F is for fish. This is fish. Then G. The alphabet name is G. The alphabet name is G. G is for grapes. G is for grapes. This is grapes. H. The alphabet name is H. The alphabet name is H. H is for hat. H is for hat. This is hat. I. Alphabet name is I. The alphabet name is I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. This is ice cream. J. The alphabet name is J. The alphabet name is J. J is for jackfruits. J is for jackfruits. This is jackfruits. K. The alphabet name is K. The alphabet name is K. K is for key. K is for key. This is key. L. The alphabet name is L. The alphabet name is L. L is for lemon. L is for lemon. This is lemon. M. The alphabet name is M. The alphabet name is M. M is for mango. M is for mango. This is mango. N. The alphabet name is N. The alphabet name is N. N is for nest. N is for nest. This is nest. O. The alphabet name is O. The alphabet name is O. O is for orange. O is for orange. This is orange. Hello friends, if you have not subscribed yet, hurry up, please subscribe now. P. The alphabet name is P. This is P. P is for pineapple. P is for pineapple. This is pineapple. Q. The alphabet name is Q. Q. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. This is queen. R. The alphabet name is R. The alphabet name is R. R is for rainbow. R is for rainbow. This is rainbow. S. The alphabet name is S. The alphabet name is S. S is for sunflower. S is for sunflower. This is sunflower. T. The alphabet name is T. T. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. This is tiger. U. The alphabet name is U. U. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. This is umbrella. Hello my dear children, if you have not subscribed yet, hurry up. Lots of fun videos are waiting for now. B. The alphabet name is V. V. V is for vase. V is for vase. This is vase. Then W. The alphabet name is W. The alphabet name is W. W for watch. W for watch. This is watch. X. The alphabet name is X. The alphabet name is X. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. This is X-ray. Y. The alphabet name is Y. Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. This is yak. Z. The alphabet name is Z. The alphabet name is Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Hello my dear children, if you have not yet subscribed, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe now.